Na emo bia wire fi se Ogyaba we no oye Kumawood actor. We or ati Kumawood movie. Ena obi aso wire fi se Efya so eye muka ne say I want to so on kwade de so ne na moye. Efya de so wan ni no ono so ye actress. Yes. Efya de we old actress aye na ye nim no. A superstar dada. Wonderful. Ogyaba so ono so koye Kumawood movies eti we no omo ye actors eti mi hunu sa ade o na ekosam so these people are doing their job. Now mi decode prophecy na Ogyaba ebo emaye no na mewie no obanyansafo pe na betemase de tia mi di first code a mi bie ene say Ogyaba ka kire Efya schwar say ka bekwa kogya na sikwan mu anka say ka ebekuno wose ka bekwa kogya na sikwan mu ama na tamfo asere no we eyenkwasia prophecy.
My Ghana na akwaba sonko ediba afidikese we say attention TV so pamcho subscribe channel mam na mo share videos na across all the social media platform ne so efa mamesa na mo like page na the comment ne so airtie eto Ogyaba eda ensembe na tisaje ati say training issues e mo amu ne metna se de ni mu odi no e na mba bijai egu ho ediama mahwefo any metiefo ne de ensem be na etwagu eye Ogyaba first no ye Kumawood actor. Say dear dem abedanis of penny pa ewo oman Ghana obehye nkom say Efya schwar ebenya accident na Manasseh aba abonten aba beka say hey ene Ogyaba bribed Efya schwar mumienko tie ensem no say munyina actor plus actress nge say omuyom hu bi nti mumienko na mkotie Manasseh ensem
makwa hunu prophecy bi na prophecy na me hu ye no mahunu prophecy no attach with Efya schwar. And this is why I have a big problem. Because sir Efya schwar kruye. Me obi am me kanasem. But I am saying this because of this video. And the reason why me can say when he say yetigana kromra. And I was so for Prince Elisha. Our pig farm. Me minim principal minim Elisha pa. What I say? Or dress it come up the one fe. Yes. Your crew say the coba say, wo, a few copy na sorry. Ye ko hu ya say musu sofo ya kasa ma abro no manyina apie utiri so. Ama sofo ne kasa ye ma abro no ma ba ye. Afi ku wie chire ni ye kote ya ne say afi kura de. Chan ye no kure. Obo wo pa ena otua wo ka ena mu tesa mo hihye ho ena obeye ye. Ena ko fa din boni bebre de bre no. Yenim de ba ye say chiri munisika faase na mutua ya. You don't know na kan wa no tum. Na emo bia wire fi se Ogyaba we no oye Kumawood actor. We or ati Kumawood movie. Ena obi aso wire fi se Efya schwar so eye muka ne say I want to so on kwade de so ne na moye. Efya de so wan ni no ono so ye actress. Yes. Efya de we old actress aye na ye nim no a superstar dada. Wonderful. Ogyaba so ono so koye Kumawood movies eti we no omo ye actors eti mi hunu sa ade o na ekosam so these people are doing their job. Now mi decode prophecy na Ogyaba ebo emaye no na mewie no obanyansafo pe na betemase de tia mi di first code a mi bie ene say Ogyaba ka kire Efya schwar say ka bekwa kogya na sikwan mu anka say ka ebekuno wose ka bekwa kogya na sikwan mu ama na tamfo asere no we eyenkwasia prophecy from what now listen. Oh Jesus, but see when we are these people they will use your mind to play we dey tell me you they can was say e ka bekwa kogya no asikwan mu ama na tamfo asere no ete hokra keke no afi obi wi obesesa na no se ka no be feli break ebe kwa kuku no de ha na mi chiro prophecy the entire fake, and he said this prophecy is totally fake. Efya said she doesn't know the name of her mechanic. Ogyaba bisa and said when you will be a friend of Francis Boateno. Osu when you will be bia. And Ogyaba says when you will be bia, don't worry. 81st, Efya said she doesn't know the name of her mechanic. But when Efya called the mechanic, she mentioned his name, that Kojo. And when the contact was mentioned by the fake prophet, or when the fake prophecy was mentioned by the with the number by the prophet, and Efya want to tell us that she doesn't know her mechanic number. Is that what Efya want to tell us? Oh, mechanic, who no? We need mechanic needing. Mechanic at the same time. We also need the number. Mechanic away or come out. We need the number. We do a number here. Well, let me continue. So I'm decoding this prophecy for you. Now me decoding here. Ubatias one person me can say. Yes, ubati them person me can say. The prophecy is totally fake. Efya said she doesn't know the name of her mechanic. But when Efya called the mechanic, she mentioned his name, that Kojo. And when the contact was mentioned by the fake prophet, and Efya want to tell us that she doesn't know her mechanic number. But Efya said, it seems that the number is my mechanic number. She just called the mechanic this morning. So how can you call the mechanic this morning and you can't relocate the same number? Why? And then Efya said, the mechanic lives 4 blocks away from her house and he comes for her cars all the time. This is someone Efya said she doesn't know. I know, maybe she was really drunk, so the acting went wrong. But somebody like me, I am too wise to decode this prophecy. It will be a one who knew the thing. As who knew the brother for this route to move, Nidin Kojo, O Freya na, what's the number or mekan esseno? O Freya, what Timabo Kojo? Ubo Kojo na Kojo to cry out and cry your poor. Kojo would be what brother for the same. Francis, what and I say, and I heard just acting you're very poor. The guy knew, say, woman freno. He knew some freno. And there will be a who say what if 4 blocks away from your house. If you're a snake, will be what if 4 blocks away from your house. And I will see who knew no. Now, what brand a coffin and damn for. Will be a winning so Efya will say, or before a car, de be an our car by Kokra, and one more befano, and no payer. This acting, it doesn't make clear to me. More acting, you're very poor. I am very poor, Miss Massa. Some see me decoding who fake prophecies. We am by Shemo, we be Chane. We a Juma totally. Obi a wo wundim no wunya number no say the kind number yes mechanic number you find out because we can call about brofudin we see we nima brofudin no na obi a we mechanic a wo afie Schwarzenegger wotwe transactions a wo do a waye de ama wo mechanic a wa mani mobile money transactions mechanic de obetimi akoba bi mama ade we ayeto no wa send ama no etini mobile money no ni dia de send money sika de bia wo so a eye Francis Boateng. You don't know mechanic no so nimu no afi ko wi a kire no say we wo mechanic afi dia wo say wo bra kra na kofa na adamfo afi ko wi a wo so what 4 blocks away from your house afi ko wi a wo say wo nimu no wo so be fa wo ka no pay ya he me say sane ma wo ya mo yen se mo njaya San kwasiade wo ya mo yen se mo njaya onyankopon wo pe wo bia sem papa ka kire na telephone number a concert for us of war and a yes idea no. It was on we and crow, ne de hey, yeah, what's up, yay, a concert. Ogyaba we one ne maame na yes ankwase adwuma we nyina. Ne maame ne friend Archbishop Diner. What I say? Sir, what shall oboase kwan so? Because I'm a bomb, I'm not power mamma. I'm telling you. A juma shisha on the maame na training no, what train a juma no, and what the number warrior. We cannot go play. Nobody should believe this guy. Sadio ye muso on your fear snake gina moye no. A juma shisha nko.
Bisa makwaba ni modi view. Esa advantage TV so subscribe channel no mame. Na mo share videos na across all the social media platforms so efa mame sa makwaba ndase na esa mbishe.